Hello everyone, welcome to Middleware Techie. I am Rutuja and in this video we are going to learn about SAP Integration Suite and all its functionalities. Firstly, let's talk about what is SAP Integration Suite is. So it is a platform which is used to connect different softwares and applications and also allowing them to work them seamlessly. It also enables the integrations of data and processes across various environments, whether they are on-premise system or whether they are on the cloud. On the screen, you will see different tabs like Home, Discover, Design, Monitor, Inspect, Settings. One by one, we will clear each of these tabs. Firstly, let's talk about Home section. So it is a main dashboard that provides an overview of the integration suite. Whatever is in the integration suite, we can find it here in the Home tab. After that, the Discover section. In the Discover section, you can explore and find the pre-built integration contents such as integration packages and integration APIs. It means that it is some of the pre-packaged scenarios which we can find and discover in the Discover section. After that, the Design section is here. In the Design section, it includes the tool for creating and configuring the integration flows. It is also used to creating the APIs and designing B2B scenarios. B2B scenarios is for data exchange between different companies. Whatever the integration scenarios and whatever the integration flow you can create in the integration suite, we can find it here in the Design tab. After that, the Monitor section. In the Monitor section, you can track and monitor the integration processes and data flows in real time. We can also monitor the performance of B2B scenarios. We can find the status of B2B scenario here. It means that if you are creating one integration flow and if you require to monitor whether it is performing properly in the way you want, so you just go in the Monitor section and check it there. Then let's talk about the Inspect section. So it is used to analyze and troubleshoot the integration issues to ensure the smooth operation. Means if you are creating one integration flow and required to check whether it carries any error or not, then you can inspect that integration flow. After that, the Settings section. So in the Settings section, you can configure and manage the integration suite setting and preferences. So here we can clear every tab, the overview of the every tab. Then after that, let's move to the next section, that is the capability. Now let's talk about the capabilities that SAP Integration Suite provide. First on the screen, that is Build Integration Scenario. In the SAP Integration Suite, Build Integration Scenarios refers to creating and managing different ways to integrate various applications, systems and data sources. It means that whatever I discussed in the Discover section, that SAP already created some of the pre-packaged scenarios for the references so that we can connect our CPI to different applications by using or by referring that integration scenarios. Then let's talk about Manage APIs. So in that, we have two important points to discuss. First is the API management and second is the Open Connector. If you are talking about the API management, so it is used to design, manage and secure our APIs. And the next topic is the Open Connector. So Open Connector is one of the most important topic to discuss. It is access over 170 different third-party applications with a unified API layer. Means with the help of API, you can connect CPI with 170 different applications. Then let's talk about the third, that is the Managed Trading Partners. So Managed Trading Partner is mostly used for creating profiles, streamline scenario management and expedite partner onboardings. It is mostly used for designing and operate B2B scenarios. Then let's talk about Implement Interfaces and Mappings. So in that, the most important topic to discover is the Integration Advisor. And what is used for? So it is used for machine learning to accelerate the development of business interfaces and mappings. Mostly it is used for machine learning purpose. Then let's talk about the most interesting capability, that is extend non-SAP connectivity. Our CPI is a SAP system, but it doesn't mean that we can connect the SAP systems with CPI only. We can connect some non-SAP systems also. So for that, the open connector play a very important role. We can connect 170 different third-party applications with a CPI. It's a very big deal, guys, to understand that we can connect some non-SAP systems also to our CPI. So open connector is one of the most interesting topic to understand, and we will go deep down in next video with this. Then the last second, that is manage and provide integration technology guidance. So it is mostly used for the integration assessment purpose. It is used to creating or defining some of the documentation and provide integration technology guidance. It is used for the guidance purposes. Then the last capability, that is access migration scenarios. It is as you all know that the PIPO system supports going to end in 2027, but all the scenarios and all the interfaces that is on the PIPO system, we require to migrate it to the CPI. For that, we require to done the assessments. So in that capability, we can done the assessment for PIPO to CPI migrations. So here we can clear all these topics and all the capabilities and tabs which is in the integration suite. So in this video, we just take a quick overview of the SAP Integration Suite, that it is a powerful platform that helps different software applications to work seamlessly and ensures smooth data flow across your organization. Instead of that also, if you have any doubt or if you have any question, then don't be stressed, because we are clearing all this topic one by one in the next tutorial. Still in that video, if you have any question or wants to see in more tips tutorial, then let me know in the comment sections. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Middleware Techie. Thank you so much.